a bunch of space ships led by King Cold arrives on a Saiyan planet called Vegeta. King Cold, who is the leader of the Cold Army, retires from his post and makes his son Frieza the new leader. Frieza, who is more cruel than his father, greets King Vegeta and gives him a new technology called Scouter, which will enable them to view the battle power of a warrior. A few Saiyans point their guns towards him, thus making him angry and killing them at the moment. After witnessing the brutality of Frieza, King Vegeta goes to check out the battle power of his son, but finds out that a boy named Broly, who is the son of Colonel Paragus, has the highest battle power than Prince Vegeta. Because King Vegeta only wants his son to be the strongest Saiyan ever, so he sent Broly to another planet through a pod. Upon knowing the intentions of King Vegeta, Paragus steals one of the space ships of Saiyan's army and makes his way for Planet Vampa along with the pilot named Beats. Planet Vampa is filled with monstrous creatures where their only food source is to kill each other. Suddenly they see Broly, who is coming from a monster body, and upon checking, they have found out that Broly has transformed into a giant ape and killed the beast with it. Now they have found Broly, so they begin to leave the planet but finds their spaceship floater has been destroyed and can't be fixed. Because only 10 days of water and food remaining on the spaceship, so Paragus kills Beats with his laser gun to save food for one man. 5 years later, a guy named Bardock, who is the colonel of one of the Frieza's spaceships, arrives on planet Vegeta along with other Saiyan ships, who were ordered to return to planet Vegeta by Frieza. Bardock learns from his teammate that Frieza's men has been asking about a legendary Super Saiyan and Frieza is worried about it. Bardock, who is one of the powerful Saiyan of planet Vegeta, feels something bad is going on and Frieza might kill all the Saiyans. So in order to save his newborn baby boy Kakarot, Bardock steals the capsule along with his wife Jine and tells his son, no matter what happens you must survive, and sends him to the planet called Earth where technology and combat level are very low. Frieza, who wants to destroy all the Saiyans, launches a very powerful attack on planet Vegeta, thus annihilating all the Saiyans and planet Vegeta along with it, and the only survivors are Prince Vegeta, Bardock's son Raditz, and the 2 Saiyan warriors whom were sent to other planet. After several years to this incident, Kakarot aka Goku and Prince Vegeta have grown up. They are living on planet Earth where they train with each other in order to make each other strong. They also got company from Bulma, God of Destruction Beerus, and an angel Whis, who are having a vacation after the Tournament of Power. Bulma, who is the wife of Prince Vegeta, receives a call from his son Trunks, who tells her that the Dragon Balls she has been collecting are stolen from his office along with the Dragon Radar, and the culprits behind it is Frieza, who is recently resurrected by Goku. In order to make a wish, they need 7 Dragon Balls and Bulma had only 6. So they goes to the ice content where the last ball was last tracked by Bulma. On their way to the ice content, Bulma reveals his wish, which is she wants to become 5 years younger, while Frieza, who don't want any immortality or power-up, just wants to become a 5 centimeter taller. Meanwhile in the space, a guy named Limo and a girl named Chilai, who are working with Frieza's army, are searching for a warrior with the battle power of 1000 so they can be great aspect in the Frieza's army. They receive a signal from an old charted Frieza's ship and goes to check out, but finds Paragus out there who has a battle power of 4200. Later a monster begins to attack them and their ship, but they got saved by Broly, whose battle power is so high even a scouter could not display it. They take both to the Frieza's ship where Frieza is thrilled to see the strength of Broly. Paragus, whose life was destroyed by King Vegeta, reveals his anger towards King Vegeta and his family, and Frieza, who is the master of evil, uses this opportunity to take revenge from Goku and Vegeta and adds them in his army. Later Chilai and Limo are having lunch in the Frieza's ship, where one of the commander of the Frieza's spaceships begins to flirt with Chilai, but Broly saves her by breaking his hand. Broly, whose power is so great that sometimes he loses his control, and to be able to control him again, Paragus uses a remote control device which produces an electric shock through a collar to the Broly's body. Chilai, who is thankful for the help, stoles the remote control from Paragus and breaks it in front of Broly's eyes, making him free from that collar. While they are celebrating his freedom in the spaceship, Broly tells them about his fur, which is the ear of a monster who was his best friend on planet Vampa, where he trains with him each day, but Paragus does not like the idea of Broly being friend with a monster. He takes shot at him, thus ending their friendship. After finding the last Dragon Ball with the help of a Dragon Radar, Frieza's men tries to escape from the ice continent but got visitors in the form of Goku and Vegeta. Both Goku and Vegeta tries to take the balls away from them but got accompanied by Frieza along with Paragus and Broly. Because King Vegeta tried to kill Broly, Paragus gets very angry to avenge his son and tells Broly to attack them both. So Vegeta and Broly begins to fight with each other. Vegeta, who is a powerful Saiyan warrior, senses the power of Broly and transforms into his Super Saiyan form, and Paragus, who has never seen a Super Saiyan form, is shocked to see this. While Broly, who is no match for Vegeta in his Super Saiyan form, increases his power and throws him into the mountain where he begins to plumble him inside it. After witnessing the power of Broly, Vegeta also increases his power and transforms into Super Saiyan God for the first time. He begins to attack Broly with his new power and hits him with his powerful punch, which lands Broly far away to the mountain. After getting beat down by Vegeta, Broly begins to lose his calm while Paragus tries to control him with the remote control but finds out it's been taken by someone else. Meanwhile, Vegeta throws a very powerful energy ball towards Broly, which lands him into the ocean, but Broly, who is considered to be the legendary Saiyan, increases his power and throws a very powerful attack towards Goku, who actually dodged it in time. Seeing the further increase in Broly's power, Vegeta begins to attack Broly again but did not have any effect on it because Broly's power is too great for him. After witnessing the epic battle between two Saiyans, Goku enters the battlefield and challenges Broly to a fight. Now Goku and Broly begins to fight with each other. Both warriors whom have tremendous power begins to attack each other with their powerful moves, but Broly's power begins to increase rapidly. Seeing the rapid rise in his power, Goku also transforms into his Super Saiyan form and begins to fight with Broly with this power, but just like Vegeta, he is no match for Broly in his Super Saiyan form. So he transforms into his Super Saiyan God form and tries to calm him down with a powerful spell, but Broly, who already lost his cool, breaks Goku's spell while increasing his power furthermore and hurting Goku very much with it. After sensing the battle between Goku and Broly, a guy named Piccolo asks Goku what is going on which Goku tells him, if things get out of hand, I'll use instant movement to head over to your place. So Goku, who has more power left in his body, transforms into his Super Saiyan Blue form, which increases his power to new heights. He begins to attack Broly with his Super Saiyan Blue form, which is so powerful that even the powerful attacks of Broly does not have any effect on him. After seeing Broly being overwhelmed by Goku, Frieza hits Paragus with his laser shot and kills him at the moment. Seeing the death of his father, Broly begins to lose his control even more and increase his power furthermore, and also attacks Goku with his powerful laser beams, powerful enough to kill a person who touches it. After seeing his friend being in dire state, Vegeta begins to help Goku, and both Saiyans throws their powerful moves towards him, but Broly easily destroys both of their attacks. Now Broly fights with Frieza, who is stuck between them, while Goku takes Vegeta to Piccolo's place, where they both begin to use a technique called fusion, where both of their bodies become one. Frieza, who is having a hard time fighting with Broly, transforms into his Golden Frieza form and tries to overwhelm Broly with it, but he's still no match for him even in his golden form. After an hour, Goku and Vegeta complete their fusion and transforms into a powerful being called Gogeta. Gogeta, who is the fusion of Goku and Vegeta, heads over to the Broly's place where he is fighting with Whis. Now both Broly and Gogeta begins to fight with each other. Gogeta, who is the fusion of two powerful Saiyans, hits Broly with a powerful laser beam attack which hurt Broly a lot. While being hurt by Gogeta, Broly could not stop fighting and both of them ended up on their energies dimension, where Gogeta seriously injures Broly with his powerful attacks. After seeing their friend being beaten by Gogeta, both Limo and Chilai steals the Dragon Balls from Frieza's ship and make a summon to Shenron, who is a almighty dragon which can grant any wish. After injuring Broly with his powerful attacks, Gogeta begins to launch his trump card attack called Kamehameha, which he uses to finish his enemies, but before his attack touches the Broly, Chilai makes his wish and tells Shenron to send Broly to the place from where she brought him, thus saving Broly's life from the powerful attack. After the wish is fulfilled, Shenron disappears from their sight while Limo and Chilai tries to run away as far as they can from Frieza, who is very angry at them after they use his Dragon Balls for their own wish, but Gogeta saves them at the last moment. Now the battle is over. Both Limo and Chilai goes to planet Vampa to find Broly while Frieza goes back to his evil ways, annihilating innocent planets with his army. Because planet Vampa has no food and water, both Limo and Chilai begin to worried about it as they can only last for 50 days with the food and water they have brought. A few moments later Goku arrives on planet Vampa using his instant movement by finding the key of Broly. He gives them food, water and a house which he brought from the Bulma's office. While both Limo and Chilai does not have any trust in Goku, but Broly begins to like Goku. On which Goku tells him that he will come to visit this place time by time and train with Broly, and he also tells them that his name is Son Goku, but people also call him Kakarot, and this brings the anime to an end. If you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on another video. Until next time, take care.